The Diet Compass by Bas Kast is a revolutionary approach to weight loss and overall health. It challenges the traditional diet mentality and offers a more sustainable and enjoyable way of eating. The book is divided into 3 parts. Part 1 discusses the principles of the Diet Compass. Part 2 provides a step-by-step guide to implementing the diet. And Part 3 focuses on maintaining the new lifestyle and addressing common obstacles. The first part of the book introduces the concept of the Diet Compass, which is based on the idea that our bodies have an innate intelligence that guides us towards optimal health when given the right environment. Kast argues that traditional diets, with their strict rules and limitations, go against this natural order and often lead to frustration, failure, and even weight gain. Instead, he proposes a more flexible and intuitive approach, where individuals learn to listen to their bodies and make food choices based on hunger, satiety, and nutritional needs. One of the key principles of the Diet Compass is the concept of energy balance. Kast explains that in order to lose weight, we must create a consistent calorie deficit by burning more calories than we consume. However, he also emphasizes that this deficit should be moderate and gradual, as extreme calorie restriction can lead to metabolic slowdown and other health problems. The Diet Compass encourages individuals to focus on making healthy choices from all food groups, rather than eliminating entire macronutrients or food categories. Another important aspect of the Diet Compass is the concept of mindful eating. Kast stresses the importance of being present and aware while eating, paying attention to hunger and fullness cues, and savoring the flavors and textures of food. This mindful approach helps individuals develop a healthier relationship with food and makes it easier to make informed choices. The book provides various techniques for practicing mindful eating, such as eating slowly, using chopsticks, and avoiding distractions like television or smartphones during mealtimes. In addition to these core principles, the first part of the book also covers topics such as the importance of sleep, stress management, and regular exercise. Kast emphasizes that these lifestyle factors are just as important as diet when it comes to achieving optimal health. He provides practical advice on incorporating exercise into daily routines and offers tips for managing stress effectively. The second part of the book provides a step-by-step guide to implementing the Diet Compass. It begins with an explanation of how to calculate your daily calorie needs based on your age, gender, activity level, and weight loss goals. Kast suggests using an online calculator or consulting with a healthcare professional to determine this number. Once you have established your daily calorie needs, you can then create a meal plan that meets those needs while still allowing for flexibility and variety. The book offers a sample meal plan as well as guidelines for planning your own meals. It encourages the consumption of whole, unprocessed foods from all food groups, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Kast provides recipes and menu ideas to help individuals get started with meal planning and offers tips for making healthy substitutions and adaptations based on personal preferences and dietary restrictions. The second part of the book also covers the topic of portion control, which is an essential aspect of the Diet Compass. Kast explains that by learning to eat appropriate portions, individuals can maintain a healthy weight without feeling deprived. He provides visual cues, such as measuring cups and portion control plates, to help individuals learn what constitutes a proper serving size for various foods. Finally, the second part of the book addresses common obstacles to weight loss and offers strategies for overcoming them. These include tips for dealing with cravings, social eating situations, and emotional eating. Kast emphasizes the importance of self-compassion and forgiveness when faced with setbacks, as these emotions can help individuals stay motivated and committed to their goals. The third part of the book focuses on maintaining the new lifestyle and addressing common obstacles that may arise after initial weight loss has been achieved. Kast emphasizes that maintaining a healthy weight is an ongoing process and requires ongoing effort and commitment. He provides strategies for dealing with weight regain, as well as tips for transitioning from a weight loss mindset to a healthy lifestyle mindset. One of the key aspects of maintaining the Diet Compass lifestyle is learning to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Kast encourages individuals to pay attention to their bodies and adjust their eating habits accordingly. He also emphasizes the importance of regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep for maintaining overall health and well-being. The book concludes with a discussion of the long-term benefits of the Diet Compass approach, including improved mental health, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and increased energy levels. Kast stresses that by making small, sustainable changes to their diet and lifestyle, individuals can achieve significant improvements in their overall health and well-being. In summary, the Diet Compass by Bas Kast offers a revolutionary approach to weight loss and overall health. It challenges traditional diet mentality and encourages individuals to listen to their bodies, make healthy food choices, and practice mindful eating. By focusing on energy balance, whole foods, and a healthy lifestyle, the Diet Compass provides a sustainable and enjoyable path to better health. The book is well-written, informative, and provides practical advice and strategies for individuals of all ages and backgrounds.